Hey, how you doing? Chasing invoices manually could become time-consuming. You see, payment reminders are a secret weapon to getting paid on time in such instances. We at Active Software will help you to set a payment reminder in Odoo, where the base functionality doesn't have the feature of payment reminder. But for merchants, retailers, vendors, cash flow is inevitable. Here is introducing the payment reminder module for Odoo Enterprise version 11.12.13. With this payment reminders module, users can set intervals to send reminder emails for pending invoice bills. There are two main intervals available, when the users can schedule the mail reminders, before the due date and after the due date. Now let's move forward to the demo. After having installed the module from Odoo App Store, the user will have to enable the payment reminder boolean to use the functionality. To configure the payment reminder, we will go to the invoicing module and then in settings where we will enable the payment reminder boolean. Once we enable the boolean, we will configure the payment reminders requisites. We can configure the payment reminders in two ways. Before due date. When we choose to send an email before the due date, we are supposed to set the duration of days post the due date. As you can see, I have entered the period of the time 1 day. This means the system will send an automated email to the customer before 1 day of the due date for payment after due date. When we choose to send an email after the due date, we are supposed to enter the duration of days past the due date. Here I have entered the length of due date as 1 day. This means the system will send an automated email to the customer after 1 day of the due date for payment. Now the payment reminder is configured. Let's run a demo to understand the functionality of this module. Now we will go back to the invoicing module where we will create two different invoices to send test emails for both before due date amount 907.50 and after due date amount 968.48. While we create the invoice, we will select the customer, the invoice date and accordingly, its due date will be calculated based on predefined payment terms. Once we are done with creating the invoice, we will go to the settings to turn on the developer mode so that we will be able to see the technical options in settings. Now we will hit the schedule action to let the scheduler check due payment date. This scheduler will automatically run every day. But right now I am running it manually. Now we will check the emails sent to the customers as per the payment arrangement we have set earlier. As you can see, the email has been sent to the customer for the after due date payment reminder with the amount of 968.48 as defined earlier. Similarly, another email shows the before due date reminder for which amount was set to 907.50. Hope you have got all the solutions you need for this payment reminder module. If not, kindly contact Active Software. Goodbye.